I'd like to talk to you about the academic calendar. It is the most useful tool a student will use in their college journey. A student must go to their home page, click on Academics, go over here to the left side, find the academic calendar, click on it. Then you will be able to scroll down and pick the appropriate schedule you're looking for. For training purposes, I'm going to use 2016 spring calendar. Now here you can save this academic calendar to your desktop or to your documents, which would be in the best interest for further use. But for training purposes, I'm going to use Open. Now, this is the academic calendar for spring of 2016 at ACTC. So let's look up here. The first day of class. And in Windows 8 you can highlight. Okay, so the first day of class is January the 11th for the spring 2016 16-week session that runs from January the 11th to May the 8th. But if you look here, the first bi-term, which is only 8 weeks, runs from January the 11th to March the 6th. And its first day of class is January the 11th. Going over just a little bit, you have 12-week session, and it runs from February the 8th to May the 8th. And its first day of class is February the 8th. Last but not least, second bi-term, and it's 8 weeks long, March 14th to May 8th. Again, it tells you March 14th. So it tells you once here, it tells you twice here. So it's very important for students to know which class they're in and when they're starting and how long it will last. So let's move on down a little bit. The last day to withdraw from a course without receiving a grade of W, we'll highlight them all again. So the last day to withdraw without receiving a W, which means it will not affect your GPA, for the 16-week session is January the 15th. For the first bi-term, it's January the 14th. For the 12-week session, it's February the 12th. For the second bi-term, it's March 17th. Okay, let's move on down a little bit more. The last day for a student to withdraw from a course with a grade of a W, again, that means not affecting your GPA. We'll highlight that. Is April 29th for the spring, February 26th for the first bi-term, April 29th for the 12 weeks, and April 29th for the second bi-term. This is very important. You must use an add drop form and follow procedures going to the admissions and also to financial aid. Or you will end up receiving an I, which is an incomplete, or an F, which is a failing grade. And none of us want that. So again, make sure you check the dates. And also, I want to note one more thing. Here, this is at the discretion of the instructor. So you must communicate with your instructor. It's also very important to meet with your advisor. Talk about your options. Do you have enough time? Can you catch up? Can you get a tutor? It's very important to know what your options are before you withdraw. So let's go down one more time. Look at finals. Again, we're going to highlight. So finals for the 16 weeks is May 2nd through 8th, and so on. Now, this is an ACTC academic calendar. So let's go find another calendar. In case a student has an online class. So, if you scroll down, you can see we're back at the Ashland homepage. go down here. This link down here will take you to the KCTCS's homepage. See? Alright, now you can click on Our Colleges. And let's use Big Sandy's. Now, you must find the website link. Click on it. Now it looks similar. So we're going to follow the same procedures. We're going to click on Academics. We're going to scroll down, find our academic calendar. Again, we're going to go over here and find our calendar we're looking for, and let's use spring 2016 for this training purpose. Again, you can save to your documents or to your desktop for future use, but for this training purpose, I will just open. Now you can see it's laid out a little bit different, but we can still find the same information. So let's see what the last day to add or drop a class. It's January the 8th. Now remember, on the ACTC one, it was January the 13th. So if I go to class in person at ACTC, but I have an online class at Big Sandy, then I need to know when the last day to add or drop a class is. Looking at your academic calendar will give you this opportunity to have this information. Alright, let's look down. January the 15th is the last day to withdraw without a grade, which again, that means it doesn't hurt your GPA. So let's scroll on down, and April 29th is the last day to withdraw at the discretion of the instructor and receive a W, which again will not hurt your GPA, but I must advise you to first meet with your instructor and your advisor to see if you've exhausted all possibilities, because this is your money and it could delay your graduation. Okay, let's go down, find finals. Finals are May 2nd through the 7th. Now if you remember, at ACTC it was May 2nd through 8th. Now this is only 1 day difference, but sometimes it can make a big difference. Okay, so now I'm back at Big Sandy's homepage, but I want to go back to my homepage, Ashland. So I click at the bottom. I'm back at the KCTCS. I click Our Colleges. Go over here, Ashland Community and Technical College. Now remember to find the link to the website. And now I'm back home. I hope this has helped you. Good luck in your college journey.